Welcome to Mahamaya tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be learning about how to add Google Map using Visual Composer in WordPress. Click on Add Element, click on Row. Now go to your search option, type here Google. You will get a Google Map, or you can directly, if you know Google Map where is that, you can click directly on the Google Map. Write the title name. I'll be writing My Shop. As you can see, there's already one frame here. I'll remove this frame. You have a Google Map option here. Click on Open in a new tab. Which is your store? You search your store name. Go to search option and I'll be adding Oxford University. Click on this option. Once you get the option, you have an option of share. Click on that. Don't copy this link because this link you can't embed in your website. For embedding in a website, you should click on embedded map. Copy this link and your website in your website your Google Map will look like this. So go back to your pages, add that embedded frame. If you think your Google business is not here, go to Google, add a Google business. Here you can list your business, start adding your business, sign in into Google, add a business. It's quite easy, you can add your Google business. If you find difficult, comment below. I'll create another video on how to add your shop in the Google business. Now go back to pages. As if you look through the codings, you'll find the height and the width option here in your code. Depending on your requirement, you can edit the width and the height of your map. Even you can edit your border also. If you want to edit your border, write 2 pixel or 1 pixel depending on the requirements. If you want a frame, you can even add a frame. Map height, how much map height do you want? If you want it to be responsive, leave it like that because they have already mentioned here enter the map height in the pixel or leave empty for the responsive map. If you are going for the mobile website, then you are supposed to leave and you should write it like standard because they have given a width and the height already. Now you are supposed to choose your animation. Click on save change, click on update. Now go to preview. As you can see, we are able to add our shop. This is my Oxford University. As if you want, you can even move this map. This is not an image. Your client can easily reach your shop or business through your map also. Thank you guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.